Hello everyone, in this class we will discuss about an interesting topic, that is section formula. Suppose a mobile network company like Jio wants to set up a Jio tower between cities A and B. And it has to build a point P, divides the whole distance AB in the ratio of M1 is to M2. Now what they can do? They can either measure the distances AP and PB and get the locations of point P. But it is not an easy process. Between the cities there are many buildings, factories and etc. And also between the cities distance is very huge. So it is not practically feasible to measure the distances directly. So what they can do? There is a method known as section formula. It can apply the section formula to get the locations of point P. Now we will all these informations in coordinate planes. It is a coordinate plane, x-axis, y-axis. Look at the coordinate plane. Here the A, B are the cities. A is the x1, y1. The coordinates of A is x1, y1 and the coordinates of B is x2, y2. And also we know P divides the line segment AB in the ratio of M1 is to M2. Let's assume the coordinates of P is x, y. Let's have some constructions AD, PE, BF and AM and PN. Observe this one. Here having two triangles. These two triangles, triangle AMP and a triangle PNB. You have to focus on these two triangles. Here the angle AMP and PNB both are similarly equal to each other and both are 90 degrees. And also angle PAM and angle BPN also similarly equal to each other. These are the corresponding angles. We can see that two angles of these two triangles are equals. So we can say that these two triangles are similar. If we say these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides ratios also similar. The triangles are AMP is similar to PNB. So their corresponding side ratios. Here the side AP is similarly equal to the PB. So AP by PB equals to AM is similarly equals to the PN. So AM by PN. MP is similarly equals to the MB. MP is similarly equals to the NB. Okay. Now here the distances OD is x1 and OE equal to x and OF equal to x2. Now I want to find the sides of the triangles AM. Here AM is similarly equals to the DE. So AM value equal to x minus x1. Moving to the PN. PN is similarly equals to the EF. So EF value equal to x2 minus x1. EF value equal to PN value equal to x2 minus x1. x2 minus x. At the same way, I want MP. MP is, this is the whole portion. I can eliminate this portion. So MP is y minus y1. NB, this is the y2, but I want only this portion. So y2 minus y1, that is NB. y2 minus y. So these are the sides of the triangles. Now AP equal to M1 PB equal to M2 because M1 is to M2. AM equal to X minus X1. Pn equal to X2 minus X is equals to MP equal to Y minus Y1. NB equal to Y2 minus Y. Now we will simplify this one. For X value, we can simplify this M1 by M2 equal to X minus X1 by X2 minus X. So the value equal to X equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. For Y value, M1 by M2 equal to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y. So Y value equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. So these are the values. So P x comma Y values are here.